Hey, what do you hear? What do you say, my Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter friends? This is Vic DiBattista, the voice of the working class zeros in this country. Well. That little arrogant, spoiled Canadian douchebag Justin Bieber is at it again. Got arrested in Canada for another car accident. He assaulted somebody. But life goes on. This little prick, instead of turning out to be the douchebag that he is, he could have been a role model for all the boys and girls his age. But nah, he took out the bad, the evil way. Because that's what this country is all about. Canada too, I guess. Wrong has become right. Right has become wrong. This guy will get glorified and praised, and he will just get more popular instead of being a nice kid who has morals and values and respect. We are sinking, my friends, slowly sinking into the abyss. This little prick. He will continue to go on and be a rebel, a fucking jerk-off piece of shit that he is. Why do we kowtow to these morons? I've had it up to here with these fucking celebrities that get away with murder. I just got a ticket just now, $200 fine, because the light bulb on top of my license plate wasn't working in broad fucking daylight. This prick gets away with it over and over and over. It's over. It's so fucking over, you have no idea. That's why the terrorists are laughing at this country. Don't you understand? Wake up, motherfuckers! Wake up, America and Canada, before it's too late. It's fucking too late already. Fuck everybody!